Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Pixel phone hotspot not working issue. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the gear icon on your phone to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll access all the configuration options needed to resolve this hotspot problem. The issue is often caused by corrupted network settings, and resetting them can quickly restore your hotspot functionality. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled System and tap on it. This section contains important device management tools, including reset options that can help troubleshoot connectivity problems. The System menu is typically located towards the bottom of your settings list, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Inside the System menu, continue scrolling down until you see Reset Options and tap on it. This is the area where you can reset various aspects of your phone without losing your personal data. It's specifically designed for situations like this where certain features aren't working properly and need a fresh start. Now tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. This action will clear out any corrupted network configurations that might be preventing your hotspot from functioning correctly. After tapping this option, you'll see a confirmation screen appear. Go ahead and tap Reset Settings to confirm. This process will reset all your mobile network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth connections back to their default state. Give your phone a moment to complete this reset. Once the reset is finished, navigate back to the main settings menu. From there, tap on Network and Internet. This is where all your connectivity options are managed, including your hotspot settings. You'll find various networking features here that control how your phone connects to the internet and shares that connection with other devices. Next, tap on Hotspot and Tethering. This section specifically handles your phone's ability to share its internet connection with other devices. Since you've just reset your network settings, your hotspot feature should now be ready to work properly again. Finally, tap the toggle button next to Wi-Fi hotspot to turn it on. You should see the toggle switch to the on position, indicating that your hotspot is now active and broadcasting. Your other devices should now be able to detect and connect to your Pixel's hotspot without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your Google Pixel hotspot by resetting the network settings and reactivating the feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.